Navigating the world of office furniture can be daunting, and even the seemingly minor detail of casters plays a significant role in your daily work experience. This guide delves into the various types of office chair casters, empowering you to make an informed decision for your workspace. Carpet casters, often the standard equipment on office chairs, excel on their designated terrain. Their hard plastic wheels don't get bogged down in plush or low-pile carpet, and they can easily roll around on a chair mat. However, on hard surfaces like hardwood, laminate, or tile, they can leave unsightly scratches and create unwanted noise. For those who value the pristine condition of their hardwood or tile floors, soft casters offer a gentle touch. Crafted from rubber or polyurethane, these wheels are designed to glide across hard surfaces without leaving a mark. Inline casters resemble rollerblade wheels, offering exceptional maneuverability and near-silent operation on any floor type. Inline casters from Modern Office come in both locking and non-locking varieties. Locking casters feature a brake, ideal for maintaining stability during intense work sessions or meetings where unwanted rolling can be disruptive. Non-locking casters, on the other hand, offer complete freedom of movement, perfect for dynamic work environments or multitasking masters. At Modern Office, we understand that comfort, mobility, and floor protection are essential for a productive work environment. Our knowledgeable team is always happy to answer your questions and guide you towards the perfect casters for your chair.